right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're back inside of our Moccasin module, but we're starting a new section. This is going to be the ZK Sync setup contract section of the module. So let's dive in with some light reading. So in this section, we will discuss the setup process for deploying smart contracts on a ZK Sync Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Now, step one will involve understanding ZK Sync. ZK Sync is a layer 2 scaling solution that uses zero knowledge rollups to increase transaction throughput while maintaining the security of the Ethereum mainnet. It allows for faster and cheaper transactions, making it an attractive option for developers and users. Now, step 2 involves setting up the development environment. That's going to involve deploying contracts to the ZK Sync. We need to set up our development environment following these steps. Now, step 1 would involve Node.js and NPM if we haven't already done that. Now, I stopped it right there because I'm not sure if that's applicable to us, and I wanted to dive a little bit deeper and do some more research in the background and see if that's actually applicable to us, because I don't recall actually using Node.js or the NPM previously in the course when we actually worked with the ZK Sync. I'm trying to recall, so I did want to just go back and check a few things before I move forward and gave you the wrong information. So we're going to stop with that. This is a new section anyway inside of our course, inside of our Moccasin module. This is a new section, and I don't want to move too fast anyway. The last two sections were just walkthroughs. We didn't actually dive into anything in particular. This one is going to be a full section that we're going to dive into completely. So I want to make sure we have our facts straight before we move forward. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.